Good morning from Phillip Island, Australia. Sorry about the background noise, I've got a Harley chugging away out there. Our favourite PW80 is back in the shop. We did the engine rebuild on it a few weeks ago, and we've just been waiting for a new Carby to arrive. There's so many aftermarket carbs these days that when it comes to a small bike like this, it really is more cost effective to replace it. By the time I remove it, strip the components, ultrasonic clean, put it back together, it's cost more than a replacement. So there's a little new carburetor sitting on the hoist, and let's get rid of this old one and get this young fella back on the track, because he rides and rides. Yesterday morning, before the bike got dropped off, he rode the wheels off it, and so I promised him, being school holidays here, that I get it back to him quick smart. Now Loki's come to help. Loki, are you helping today, or are you just gonna you're gonna supervise? Okay, all right, so here we go. PW80 carburetor replacement. Okay guys, back on our PW80, day 26 I think. No, I'm joking, but we have had troubles. I spoke about how it's easier these days and cost effective to buy a replacement carb. Well, that bit me in the arse. I've bought a bunch of smaller aftermarket carbs from this one particular motorcycle business who specialises in dirt bikes, and the other carburetors have gone straight on, and with a little bit of tuning they're away. This one, no. So this carburetor came from the factory with the float level set way too high, causing it to overflow. And no barb on the float bowl drain, so I couldn't connect a little plastic tube and run it up the side and do a quick test of the float level. So off the carburetor came again, and lots of testing and trying until I got the float level set right. Then put it all back together and finally get it on and running and tuned, but this is actually day 3. I spent far too long, because I'm stubborn, trying to tune the problems out of a inferior carburetor. So what we're looking at now is a totally rebuilt Mikuni original carburetor using some of the components from the new aftermarket carb. So I do believe it's all done, and now it's time for the start test. Okay, let's see if she starts. Oh. Bit cold, hey?